This video is to demonstrate how to place an order with the Jeeves Connect mobile application. First, select all the items you wish to clean. Then click on the basket icon, review all items, and click Order Now. Create an account if you haven't already. Then fill in all the account details, including your email, password, birthday, and phone number. Next, select your collection district and enter your full address. If you cannot be there on the day of collection or delivery, please fill in information for a secondary contact. If applicable, check the Jeeves member box and type your membership number underneath. Lastly, check the rest of the boxes and press Create. Log into your new account and go to Basket. You can choose to purchase a reusable breathable garment bag by tapping the green packaging option to help reduce environmental footprint and waste accumulation. Then select a location convenient for you, followed by the time and date. If you have any specific order requirements, remember to indicate in the remarks section. Now review all the information and press Order. At the end, you will be able to view your order status, details, along with the rest of the information you've provided. Our customer service team will review your order in due time. Thank you for using Jeeves Connect.